what is the efficiency of an engine in terms of the ratio QC over QH following the diagram that we have here? So the definition of efficiency, as we've seen, is equal to the work output divided by the heat input, which in this case, that should be work divided by what is labeled as QH in the diagram. The work, however, since QH is going into the system and QC and work are going out, I think that that work should be equal to the difference between QH and QC. So that allows me to write this expression. And one way of looking at that is to say, well, what I had said verbally there was that the input into the engine should equal the sum of the energy outputs, in other words, work plus QC. And if you solve for work, that gives you work is equal to that difference of QH minus QC. So that's kind of showing all the math of what I just did here in this substitution. This can be simplified, though, since we can separate this into two fractions like this. And this here is just equal to 1. So that makes this expression become 1 minus QC over QH. And I think at that point I've achieved what the example is asking me to do, because it wants an expression for the efficiency in terms of this ratio of QC to QH, and that's satisfied by the expression I have arrived at. So let's go ahead and check the answer, and it looks like that is indeed the correct answer.